Making new friends. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about something that can make life more exciting and meaningful. Making new friends. Friends are an important part of our lives. They make us laugh, support us during difficult times, and share happy moments with us. While old friends are very special, making new friends is also a wonderful experience. Some people find it easy to make new friends. They can start a conversation with almost anyone. Others feel shy or nervous when meeting new people. If you are one of those people, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people feel a little uncomfortable when they meet someone for the first time. I used to feel nervous too. Whenever I met someone new, I wondered what to say. Would they like me? Would the conversation be interesting? Would we have anything in common? But over time, I learned that making friends doesn't have to be difficult. It often begins with something very simple. A smile. A warm smile can make another person feel comfortable. It shows that you are friendly and open to talking. After smiling, the next step is saying hello. A simple hi, or how are you, can start a conversation. You don't need to say anything complicated. Sometimes the simplest words are the best. One thing that helps is asking questions. People usually enjoy talking about themselves. You can ask about their hobbies, their favorite books, their favorite movies, their work or studies, their travel experiences. Asking questions shows that you are interested in getting to know them. Of course, making friends is not only about talking. Listening is just as important. When someone is speaking, I try to listen carefully. I don't interrupt. I pay attention to what they are saying. People appreciate good listeners. Another thing I have learned is to be yourself. You don't have to pretend to be someone else just to make friends. The best friendships are built on honesty. People like you for who you really are, not for who you pretend to be. Sometimes friendships begin in unexpected places. You might meet someone at school, work, the gym, on a bus, at a library, or even while waiting in line at a coffee shop. You never know where you might meet a future friend. Shared interests also help people become friends. If you enjoy reading, you might join a book club. If you like sports, you can join a local team. If you enjoy learning English, you can join an English-speaking group. When people enjoy the same activities, conversations become much easier. Of course, not every conversation leads to a close friendship. And that's perfectly okay. Some people become close friends. Others become friendly acquaintances. Both are valuable. Making friends takes time. Trust doesn't grow overnight. Friendship develops through many conversations, shared experiences, and acts of kindness. One thing I always remember is to be kind. Kind word, helpful action, or simply remembering someone's name. These small things can leave a lasting impression. As we get older, making new friends can sometimes become more difficult. People become busy with work, family, and responsibilities. But it is never too late to meet new people. Many wonderful friendships begin later in life. The important thing is to stay open to new experiences. Don't be afraid to start a conversation. Don't worry too much about saying the perfect thing. Most people are just as nervous as you are. If someone doesn't become your friend, that's okay. Keep smiling. Keep meeting new people. Every conversation teaches you something. And every new person brings a different story into your life. Friendship is one of life's greatest gifts. Good friends encourage us, support us, laugh with us, and help us become better people. So, the next time you have the chance to meet someone new, be brave. Say hello. Ask a question. Listen carefully. And who knows? That simple conversation might be the beginning of a wonderful friendship. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. Do you enjoy meeting new people? How do you usually make new friends? What qualities do you look for in a friend? Have you ever become friends with someone you met by chance? And what advice would you give to someone who is shy about making new friends? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember, every great friendship starts with one simple conversation. Be kind, be yourself, and don't be afraid to make new friends. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.